One of the major considerations for an overtime lawsuit is the determination of what is considered compensable hours. It's really difficult to determine how much overtime is owed unless you make the first determination which hours worked is considered compensable under the FLSA. So there's several types of travel. One is travel from home to work. That's considered commute time. It's not considered compensable hours under the statute. Then there is one-day work assignments. Those are considered compensable hours. So one-day work assignments where you travel from work site to work site and you go outside the city. All of those travel hours are considered compensable hours for overtime purposes. Then you have out-of-town travel, where you're traveling to another city and you may be working for more than 1 or 2 days. Those are considered compensable hours if the travel takes place during regular work hours. So if you're working from your office hours of 9 to 5 and your plane or train trip takes place in between those the hours of 9 to 5, that's considered compensable hours. If you're traveling on Saturday or Sundays, which you regularly don't work, the DOL doesn't consider those compensable hours for investigation purposes, but private attorneys still look at those as possible compensable hours. It just depends on the individual arrangement that the employee has with the employer. But generally, out-of-town travel is not considered compensable hours unless it takes place during regular working hours during regular work week. If, for example, your job requires you to work 9 to 5, 7 days a week, then any travel on any days between 9 and 5 will be considered compensable hours. If you have any further questions, feel free to visit our website and check out the DOL's fact sheet number 22.